Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, premium sound system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.